As we completed our bicentennial celebration, I never envisioned our next 200 years starting with a pandemic. But I'm proud of all the ways that Maryville College has responded to this crisis. We have pivoted quickly to provide quality online instruction to ensure students remain engaged and feel supported, and to communicate the value and appreciation we have for the faculty and staff who have adapted and are helping students excel in this new learning environment. When students return from spring break, our student affairs staff, along with our physical plant staff, work tirelessly to help them move out of the residence halls. The library is ensuring that every student can access the materials they need to successfully complete their coursework. We have shifted tutoring and other forms of academic support to an online format so students can get help when they need it. Our coaches have put leadership into action after the cancellation of all spring sports as they encourage our student athletes to stay strong while staying at home. I know our students and you have enjoyed virtual chapel shared weekly on Tuesdays by the Center for Campus Ministry. I am grateful to witness firsthand how our campus puts into action Reverend Isaac Anderson's call to do good on the largest possible scale by helping each other and our community. The fact is, Scots help Scots, and that is exactly what I'm asking you to do. The 5th annual Tartan Tuesday is upon us. I am asking you to support the Maryville Fund, which has helped make all these things feasible. Your gift between now and midnight May 5th will count towards Tartan Tuesday and help us take advantage of a generous challenge gift of $125,000. I am grateful for you and your financial support of Maryville College. I hope you will share your stories of Maryville and your Tartan Tuesday participation through social media with the hashtag ScotsHelpScots. Thank you and happy Tartan Tuesday.